on to the latest update that we have on Zomato and Paytm. Both of them confirmed that they are in talks for the sale of Paytm's movie ticketing business. Sources say that the deal could be pegged at around 2,000 crores, making it the second biggest buyout by Zomato after Blinkit. Sumita Karir is joining in with us to give us those details. Sumita, what's happening on the front from Zomato as well as Paytm side? What is it in terms of that update that you're picking up?
Yes, in fact, food delivery aggregator Zomato has confirmed to the exchanges that it is indeed talks with Paytm to acquire its movies and ticketing business. Now, this was clarified by an exchange filing that happened recently, wherein Zomato says that they acknowledge the fact that they are in discussions with Paytm for this transaction. However, and let me quote Zomato, they say that no binding decision has yet been taken at this stage that would warrant a board approval and subsequent disclosure. In fact, Zomato further clarified, stating that the decision is currently taking place with an intent to further strengthen their going out business, which is pretty much in line with the stated positioning of focusing on their 4 key verticals. Now, in a separate filing, Paytm has also confirmed that talks are currently on, but without actually naming Zomato as an entity. It basically says that the potential transfer of its entertainment business, which is a component of its marketing services, is an opportunity that's under consideration. Now, remember, Paytm plans to focus on payments and financial services along with digital goods commerce. In fact, it also mentioned that any discussions that are currently underway are preliminary and do not involve anything binding. Remember, just yesterday, ET Now broke the story regarding Zomato in talks with Paytm, for of course a movie ticketing and events business. The deal, according to what sources are telling us, is pegged at around 2,000 crore rupees, anywhere between 15,000 to 2,000 crore rupees. And we also were learning from our sources that both parties are in late stage of negotiations. Now, this move currently aligns with Zomato's plan to expand its goings out offerings. Meanwhile, Zomato is looking to capture a larger share of the market, to capture consumer demand across categories like food, grocery, entertainment. We see what's been happening with Blinkit. And in fact, if this deal materializes, this will be the second largest buyout for Zomato after the acquisition of Blinkit.
Absolutely, Sumita, surely keeping an eye out on that. But do not also forget that Zomato, as on Q4 FY24, when I'm checking their earnings, the balance sheet, the closing cash balance that they had was 12,241 crore rupees. So they do have enough cash. If this potentially goes through, we're going to be keeping an eye out on that. Thanks so much for that update, Sumita.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.